Hello student, once again, we let us start in a today lecture how to find the solution of the given system of equation, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Normally, these two equations are simultaneously solved by back substitution, that is we have to simplify and derive the value of x variable first, then y variable, then we derive the x and y values by using back substitution in a simultaneous method. So these two equation with two variables means a1 b1 a2 b2 are the coefficient of x. Here also coefficient of x is a2. Here coefficient of y is b1 and coefficient of y is b2. That means these two equations are there, a1x plus b1y equal to c1, where c1 is the constant and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, where c2 is constant. Remind that these c1 and c2 most probably non-zero numbers. Then we can easily solve this system of equation using Cramer's rule. Let us try. Cramer's rule for two equation in two variables. Step 1, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now, first step number 2 is d, a1 b1 a2 b2. The coefficient of x and a1 a2 and coefficient of y b1 and b2. Now step number 3, it is obviously based on dx value. Dx means we have to, instead of a1 and a2, we have to put c1 and c2, and is b1 and b2 remain as a same. Then c1 into b2, c2 into b1. That is the determinant of 2 by 2 order. Step number 4, dy is derived by substituting the c1 and c2 in b1 and b2. So we have c1 and c2, a1 and a2 remain as the same. So a1 into c2 minus c1 into a2. So last step is important, x is derived, dx upon d and y is equal to dy by d. Let us try the example based on the Cramer's rule of two equation and two variables. Let us check. These equation have two variables x and y. These also have two variables x and y, and two equation system is there. Then find values of x and y using Cramer's rule. D, we have to define the coefficient of x and y. It is 3, minus 4, 1 and 3. Then 3 3s are 9. Middle is minus, but minus 4 into 1 minus 4 is minus minus plus. So we derive answer is 13. Now for finding dx is equal to, instead of coefficient of x, we should write constant 2 and 5. So we write here 2 and 5. Minus 4 and 3 remain as the same. 3 2s are 6. Minus 4 into 5 minus 20 plus minus 20 minus is plus 20. So 6 plus 20 is equal to 26. Now to find dy, instead of the y variables minus 4 and 3, we have to substitute 2 and 5. That's why we derive 2 and 5, and 3 and 1 remain as the same. 5 3s are 15. 1 into 2 minus 2. So 15 minus 2 13. To find x, dx upon d. To find y, dy by d. So we have to put the dx value we derive is 26 upon 13 is 2, and y value dy upon d, that is 13 upon 3 is 1. If we put these two values in this equation, we derive the same answer to the right hand side. Let us check. X equal to 2, y is equal to 1, 3 into 1, 3, and y is 2. So we derive 5. So our x and y values are right. It is the cross checking to resubstitute the value and derive the final answer. So in this method, we have to must remind the trick that you should write first d, the coefficient of x and y in a both system, that is 3, 1, minus 4, 3. To derive dx, you have to must put instead of x the constant 2 and 5, and b coefficient b1 and b2 remain same, minus 4 and 3. Next step, to derive the dy, you have to must put the 3 and 1 same, but instead of y we have to put 2 and 5. So we have to simplify and derive the answers. And the formula dx upon d and dy upon d. So most probably these dx and dy must be same to the multiples of the 13. This trick you have to reply and remind. Then must thing is that 26 upon 13 is equal to 2 and y is equal to 13 upon 13 is equal to 1. That means we have to put 2 and 1. In any equation, we derive the constant to right hand side. Let us check. That is the x is equal to 2, 3, y is equal to 1, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now let's try one more example. The given system is also have the two equation and two variables. So 2, 4 first write, minus 3, minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus remains as same, but 4 into minus 3, it is plus 12, is 8. To find Cx, if instead of the denotation D, you should write Cx also. Does not matter about the notation. So 3 upon is to find the Cx. Instead of we have to put 3, 10, and minus 3 and minus 2 remain as the same. So minus 2 into 3, minus 6, and 10 into minus 3 plus 3, so it is 24. To find Cy, we have the, instead of y, we have to put 3 and 10. So 2 and 4 remain as the same, 10 into 2, 20, and 4 3s are 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. To derive x and y, Cx upon C, 24 upon 8, 3. And to derive y, Cy upon C, 8 upon 8 is equal to 1. We derive the value of x equal to 3 and y value is 1. So we have to put instead of x and y, we must derive the answer same. Let us check. 3 into x, 6. 3 into 1, minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So our both values are right. Now next example. Applying the Cramer's rule on a system of two equations. Let us check out the system of equation. In previous slide, we continue the A1, B1, A2, B2, C1 and C2. Instead of that, you must try A, B, C, D, E, F. No matter. So, most probably D is defined by A, B, C, D. Okay? Dx, EF, BD. Dy, AE, CF. X equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d. Now, we have to now try for the system of equation. So 2x minus 3y equal to minus 16, 3x plus 5y is equal to 14. So our d is coefficient of x and y, 2 minus 3, 3, 5. Be careful about the sign of the negative term also. So 5 2s are and minus 3 into 3. So 2 5s are 10, minus 3 into 3, minus 9, but minus minus plus 9 is 19. To derive dx, we have to put instead of x, we have to put minus 16 and 14. So I write here minus 16 upon 16 and 14. Minus 3 and 5 remain as the same. So we have to put minus 16 into 5 and minus remain as the same. Minus 3 into 14. So we should derive minus 80 minus minus plus 42. So we derive final answer is obviously minus 38. To derive dy, instead of y, we have to put minus 16 and 14. So minus 16 and 14, but coefficient of x is remains same, 2 and 3 remain same. 14 into 2 and next minus remain as the same. 3 into minus 16. 28 plus 48 is equal to 76. We put the value in our format. X equal to dx upon d is minus 38 upon 19 is equal to obviously minus 2. Y is equal to dy by d. The 76 upon 19 is 4. So we have to put x and y values in this equation. We must derive the answer 14. Let's check. 3 into it is minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 5 into 4 20. 20 minus 6 14. You derive the right values of x and y from the system of two equations with two variables applying the Cramer's rule. Let us check the Cramer's rule next example. If we have to highlight here in this example, I highlight the coefficients. How? Let us check. The system of equation given Cramer's rule forward 2 by 2. X minus y equal to 4, 2x plus y equal to 2. So here no number is there, that means 1 is available there. If variable is not there, so we have to put the 0. In previous method, we have to study the more detail about that example pattern. Let us try here. 1 is the coefficient of x. If not available, we have to consider 1 there. I highlight the green color for the constant and red color for the coefficient of y, and the coefficient of x have the blue color. Now find the x and y. We have the formula x equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d. So d is equal to, so instead of we have to put 1 and 2, minus 1 1. So simplify directly. 1 into 1 1, 2 into minus 1 minus, but minus minus plus 1, so we derive the final answer is 3. Now dx, instead of to find dx, we have to must put the constant instead of the blue color, that is the x variables, that is the x coefficient. That means we have to put 4 and 2, minus 1 1 remain as the same. So what do you derive? 4 ones are 4, 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, so 4 plus 2 is 6. Same trick apply for the next dy. Instead of 1 and 2 remain now same, but instead of y variable we have to put green. 4 and 2, green are the constant. So it is 2 ones are 2, 4 into 2 8, but 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So we have to put the value of x equal to dx upon d is equal to 6 upon 3 is 2. Same thing, y is equal to dy by d. So minus 6 upon 3 minus 2. If we put these two, both the values of x and y in suppose this equation, we derive 4 is the answer. Let us check. 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So both the answer are right by verifying the back substitution of the x and y variables in given system of equation. In this example, we highlight the coefficient of x. It is more easy to understand previous methods. Only trick is that first d should write 1 2 minus 1 1. Dx, instead of x we have to substitute 4 2, minus 1 1 remain as the same, and instead of dy, instead of y we have to put 4 2 and 1 and 2 remain same, and we have to take the value of determinant of order 2 by 2 easily. And if we have to confirm the answer by checking out your friends, no, we have to substitute the x and y values in any system of the equation, and we derive the constant answer is same. To verify the answer is same, so we derive the final answer. So here one more method I want to include to find the given system solution from the system of equation easily. So let us try the example based on that also. But how we define the values of x variable and y variable directly also. So in previous example, you better understand by tricking highlighting the numbers also. If you have to you have to use the pencil also to highlight the numbers in the form of that term. So today's lecture we cover the example based on the grammar